Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get a Facebook dating feature. First of all, open up the App Store. Here search Facebook. Make sure you have the updated version of Facebook. Then open up the settings and click on General. And tap on Software Update to make sure you have the updated version of the software. Open up Facebook and click on Menu from the bottom right corner. Then click on the Help and Support option and tap on Report a Problem. Now tap on Continue to Report and Include in Report. Choose the feature you want to submit the report for. Select the other feature and describe your problem and click on Take a Screenshot. Take a screenshot of menu items. Describe your problem as, dating option is not available here for me, but I need to access dating. So please fix the dating option on my Facebook account. Then tap on Done and send your report. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.